7.1 What's cooking?
Hello and welcome once again to What's Cooking, the program that shows you the quick and easy way to cook tasty meals. Now, today I'm going to show you how to make mushroom risotto. This is an easy dish to make. First, heat 25 grams of butter in a saucepan. Then add half a large onion, chopped, and cook for 3 minutes. And next, add 300 grams of sliced mushrooms and continue to cook for 2 minutes. And now we are ready for the arborio rice. 350 grams. Stir it well. And next, you need some liquid. About a liter of vegetable stock, together with 150 milliliters of dry white wine. Add the liquid a little at a time. Keep stirring and gradually add more stock until the rice is cooked. And here's one I started just before the program began. Smells great already. And finally, we're going to turn the heat off, add 40 grams of grated cheese, cover it, and let it stand for 5 minutes. Okay, that's 5 minutes, so let's take a look at our risotto. And there you are, one perfect mushroom risotto. And next week, I'm going to show you one of my favorite desserts.